Cordless vacuum cleaners have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their convenience and ease of use. There are many products available to choose cordless vacuum cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cordless vacuum cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum is your perfect companion for quick daily cleaning. With up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode, you can tackle your cleaning tasks without interruptions. Its powerful suction makes it easy to handle unexpected messes, so you stay relaxed. The vacuum's lightweight design allows you to clean comfortably, reaching under furniture with ease. Plus, the built-in LED lights help you spot dust in dim areas, ensuring no dirt is left behind. This versatile vacuum is ideal for both carpets and hard floors, making your cleaning routine more efficient. Number 2. Bissell CleanView XR PET 300W Cordless Vacuum. The Bissell CleanView XR PET is a powerful cordless vacuum designed to make cleaning easier for pet owners. With a motor that offers 60% more power than its competitors, it tackles tough messes with ease. You can enjoy up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning, allowing you to move freely throughout your home without searching for an outlet. The deep cleaning fur brush is perfect for picking up pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and even your car. Plus, the removable lithium-ion battery provides the convenience of 3 cleaning modes to suit your needs. Number 3. Shark PET Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Shark 9141 PET Cordless Stick Vacuum provides excellent cleaning performance with its hypervelocity suction technology. It has up to 40 minutes of runtime and a streamlined, low-profile design that can clean under furniture. The removable hand vacuum can transform into a lightweight above-floor cleaner. The vacuum also has LED headlights to help you spot hidden debris. The package includes a crevice tool and a pet multi-tool. Number 4. Eureka Rapid Clean Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Cordless Vacuum offers powerful and efficient cleaning for your home. With its upgraded 250W brushless motor, you can enjoy 240% more suction power, making it easy to tackle everyday messes. You will appreciate the 40-minute runtime, allowing you to clean your entire space without interruptions. The 5-stage filtration system captures fine dust and particles, ensuring your air stays clean and free from allergens. Plus, with 3 power modes and an LED headlight, switching between settings is effortless, and you can easily spot hidden dust in dimly lit areas. Number 5. 550W 45 kilopascals 60 minutes runtime self-standing vacuum cleaners for home. The Smocher cordless vacuum offers powerful cleaning with its advanced 550W motor, delivering an impressive 45 kilopascal suction. This means you can easily tackle everything from surface debris to stubborn dirt embedded in carpets. With a runtime of up to 60 minutes, you can clean your entire home on a single charge. Plus, its self-standing feature allows you to pause and store it upright whenever you need a break, eliminating the hassle of finding a spot to lean it. The included wall mount makes charging convenient and also provides storage for additional attachments, ensuring you have everything you need at hand.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.